ground is so wet. No, this way, babe. I'm just kidding.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Love Endlessly. We are getting ready to head out. It is Saturday, the weekend. We just got done watching the Young Squad's new video that just posted this morning. We are heading out. I'm a little nervous today because we are supposed to be expecting a storm today. It's supposed to be a pretty bad one, so we're gonna head out. We're charging all of our backup batteries and whatnot, but we're gonna head out to go get things that we need or would need in case power were to go out. So that's what we're gonna do. What you guys got? What are we doing today?
We're gonna head out. We're supposed to have a storm, and right now got some cachete. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, a little after 10:30. This will take about 8 hours to cook all the way through. Have some homemade tacos tonight with some homemade salsa. Made my wife some coffee. Her friend made this cup for her and gave her a pretty good hookup. We served ourselves some coffee, so we're gonna head out the door so we're caffeinated and have some energy until we crash and burn from the caffeine, not in the car. All right.
All right. Do you want to explain to those who don't know what cachete is?
Cachete is beef cheek. Well, cachete means cheek, but this is particular beef, and this is a traditional Mexican taco dish or meat that is used in traditional Mexican meals. And so, me not being Hispanic, learned how to make this from my wife's uncle. And actually, no, not even him. I learned how to make this on my own.
On your own.
Tutorials and stuff like that and whatnot. So, made some good tacos a lot. We haven't had cachete in about a year, so it's gonna be pretty delicious. I hope you guys stick around, follow for more, and hope that you guys enjoy when we get this thing popping up in here, get this sizzling.
You guys ready?
Oh, right now we're at Walmart, and me and this little fella are gonna go out to go grab some donuts.
I'm just tucking in his shirt because he always dresses himself in the morning. He's really good about brushing his teeth in the morning, getting ready in the morning. But today he just didn't change his shirt because he didn't realize that it was dirty in the back, so I'm tucking it in because he's got some chocolate oatmeal on the bottom of his shirt. No, you got chocolate oatmeal.
You ready, Mo?
Yeah.
Ready, Zamar? All right.
What'd you get?
Some donuts.
Some donuts? Yeah.
I got some 2 boxes of donuts.
2?
Black one and this one.
So, on the weekends, I do
a worm.
A worm? It has a head.
No?
Let go.
Yes,
Let
it
go.
does.
Gertie.
No.
Yes, it does.
So
on the weekends, I do riddles specifically to my husband, and I try and see if he can solve it or not. Most of the time, he does before I give him the answer. I think only one time, huh?
I think for a long time.
Yeah, but I've only had to give you the answer once. But this is for the whole family. What is the riddle?
What has a
neck and no head?
What has a neck and no head?
A butt. Chicken butt.
I guess it is a bottle.
That's right.
A neck with no head. How long did it take me? Like less than 5 minutes?
Less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
You guys ready? You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay. What is useful when it is broken?
A car. Cards. A spoon.
Someone farted?
No. And you did. You farted with that coffee.
What's broken? What?
What is
useful when it's broken?
What is useful when it is broken?
Coffee.
Making something
No.
Coffee beans.
Car.
That's actually
Glass.
no. But you
So,
can make art with
Mommy,
broken glass.
Mommy. Cardboard.
Cardboard?
Mommy.
No.
Punch. A punch. I know. A broken head. A cracking head. Oh, a broken
Okay, so I'm gonna give the boys a hint. It's something that you
unwanted?
gather every day.
Is it unwanted? Gather every day. Is it
You gather every day.
C-H-O. Spell it or say it. No?
No,
Zion will get it if you spell it.
V-I.
Zion, do you want to know?
No, don't.
Or do you still want to guess?
I want to guess.
Okay, then we're not gonna.
But if I can't get it in 5 answers, I want to know.
Think of something you gather every day. You actually do it every day.
Shoes.
What do you go out to gather?
Oh, eggs.
Eggs.
Eggs. Exactly.
Exactly.
No, that is. The monster from Mario. What's mine? I love this.
Koopa or Bowser.
Look at mommy. Oh, that's that. Oh, yeah, the laser pen. See, mommy, I wanted that thing. Mommy, I really wanted that dinosaur egg.
I think that you and I should reenact our little night with
The boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we had a dart gun war.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the first one I barely got, Daddy.
Yeah.
Another.
Dart gun war. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Zion! How much does that cost? Look at this. Oh, yeah.
They're so excited.
Daddy, how much does that cost? Daddy, look at its hair.
Who is that? Oh yeah.
I really want this. Daddy, how much does that cost?
Oh okay. Go ahead, Zion.
Put it under
Scan it. How much is it?
It's what?
19?
$19.69. It's $20. So he wants this and he has enough for it, but he doesn't want to get it because it's too much. So he asked me to look on Amazon to see if there's a better deal on Amazon.
Oh.
So we went to Amazon and it's $10 cheaper than in the store
Oh wow. For the exact same.
for the
toy.
exact same toy.
So you get to save $10.
Right?
Yeah, smart shopping.
Smart shopping.
Can I have one of this?
So we are gonna put in the order right now, and he gets $10 back. Like
He gets to
keep
save
$10.
$10.
Yeah, save it.
Smarty
That's
pants.
smart shopping.
Savvy shopping.
I'll have mommy link it below in case you want my idea.
Who?
On the pig. Pig on
So you know how
It'll be on Monday.
the measuring cups, if you get plastic,
Yeah.
like they
Oh,
have,
yeah.
like the erases. And I got glass, but I have to worry about them breaking because I like these.
Daddy, there's. Cardi, take your hands out. Daddy, there's worms. Daddy, record it. There's worms in the cup holder.
Yee. Yeah, we're gonna have to call what do you call them? The renovator. What do you call them? Exterminators. What are you looking for? Nails that you're just gonna pick off and leave all over the carpet? Just kidding.
That's happened when I put them on my lap and I get up and they go flying everywhere.
Down. Man down. He's down.
Down for the count.
Why is there a Walmart?
Can't live the king's life forever.
Mommy, look, Mommy. Look, why is there a Walmart cart here? Mommy, look.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Oh my.
You know you have a lot of glitter on you?
I know you were like going like that, but that's not good.
What is it?
All right, back in. My husband said I had glitter all over my face and then asked what I got into. I have no idea. But the reason why it is not good for me to have glitter on me is because I'm allergic. And that could be the reason why I've been itching right here.
But we've only been to Target.
I know. I wonder if it was one of the sprays I picked up.
Oh, yeah.
Jelly beans still.
2, 3, wave.
What is the
It's just to have fun, just to take the attention off of a long, boring drive, or just to be silly, to make people smile, or to divert an argument. Just kidding.
Or start one.
Or start one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, look on your side.
He smashed into that car.
He smashed it.
And how? Like, how in the world does that happen?
The airbag blew up.
So we just made it home and you could smell the cachete already from walking into the house. I'll show you what it looks like. That is going to be so yummy. I think the storm is slowly starting to happen already. But I need to go out there and get some cilantro from the garden because I don't want to get rained on, but I have to go out there and get some of that. I have to go out there and get some of that cilantro because we need it for our tacos, and I should go out there and get it now before it starts getting really bad. So I didn't make it before the rain started, but I still have to go get some cilantro because tacos are not tacos without cilantro. So here we go.
Well, we're coming out a little prepared. Okay. Pull it down and open it. There you go. There you go. All right, we're coming out here like Riri. Under my arm. Come on. All right.
I'm so scared.
Hey, we got some protection. All right.
Oh,
Is it cold rain?
yes.
All right, we crazy, baby.
Okay.
Hold on, the kids are up there dancing around up there. Okay, oh, I'm so sorry.
You know what? I'm just gonna go for it.
No, don't run without me.
I have to.
No, this way, baby. Hi. Well, our water's getting some good stuff. Oi,
Wait, is this the right one? I'm in the wrong one.
you're in the wrong one. Okay.
Don't
All right.
let me.
All right.
All right. Is that one parsley?
That's parsley. Yep.
This one's the cilantro, right?
Yeah, you can taste it too. Get a taste test.
Okay, let me see.
I think there might be some cilantro over there right next to it. I think the one to the left is cilantro.
And it's parsley.
That one on the left is cilantro, no, by the purple?
This one?
Yeah.
Parsley.
Okay.
Cilantro is in this area.
Okay. So we're out here in the rain. You doing okay, Ben?
Yeah.
Hey, it could be worse.
I would much rather be out here in the rain than
Oh, it's fresh cilantro.
in the heat.
Yeah.
I just don't want to get struck. Lord, please don't strike me.
All right, babe. Tell us what you got.
I got some cilantro. Not a whole ton, but I'm not going to be out here any longer because I'm soaked. And lightning's already starting, so.
And the ground's getting sopping wet.
Yeah.
Go ahead, babe. Woo.
Through the sunflowers, past the cucumbers.
Oh, the ground is so wet. I'm trying. All right, let's go. Hopefully no rabbits snuck in here. Hopefully Peter Rabbit never got here. All right, babe. Mommy was out there in the rain. Do you think she was crazy? No? She's just getting some cilantro, huh?
Wait, she was crazy. She was.
It was raining out there. Let's see the rain. Let's see the rain. Woo. Oh, the rain.
Do you like this movie night?
You guys having popcorn
Yeah.
and watching a movie?
Yeah.
What movie you guys watching?
Video 2.
Rio 2.
Oh, and we saw Ryan's baby bunny and my little toad.
Alright, so this is almost done. I already flipped it. It probably has a few more hours. But you'll know when this is done when you go to pick this up and it completely shreds apart. Almost like that, but it still has a little bit more because I just flipped it. So we'll still have a little bit more to cook because the bottom side is not just like the top yet. Alright, so I think we're about there, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just got some. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. You got that steam. Might need a little bit more, but it's really getting there. Oh yeah, so juicy. Oh, sorry, ooh. Okay, watch out. Watch out, one more. It's hot, okay? Okay, it's gonna drop it. Alright.
That's a lot of juice.
Good chat there.
I got the charger, Mommy.
Okay.
It sounds
This
like
right here, oh my goodness, look at this. How this just pulls apart, look at that. That's some good stuff right there. Look at that. Straight for tacos, straight up.
I really want tacos right now.
Yeah, the thing is with these tacos though, man, you can only eat like a few and then be done. These are heavy hitters. These are the tacos that will make you slap your mama. Just kidding. Don't you slap your mama.
Your big truck. Your freezer. Okay. Okay, do it. Okay, but you have to be to my secret.
It's good.